Hi, in this video, I want to show you how to build an AI agent in Python with 3 and only 3 lines of code. We are going to use this Python framework called Phidata. It allows you to build AI agents and multimodal agentic workflows. There are several Python frameworks you can use to build AI agents. However, I find Phidata to be the most easiest and quicker to get started. So in this video, we build a basic agent in Python with 3 and only 3 lines of code. To begin, we go to the docs and install Phidata with this command, pip install update Phidata. Next, you should generate an API key from your OpenAI account and export it with this command. You should also create a Phidata API key and export it with the same command so that you store the API key on your machine. Let's now go to Cursor and build our agent with only 3 lines of code. Over here, I'm going to create a new file by pressing Ctrl and clicking and selecting the option New File. Let's call this First Agent. So we have firstagent.py. After installing Phidata with this command, you can import the library using from phi.agent import agent. This gives us our first line of code. As I told you, we need only 3 lines of code. Next, we can create our agent using the Phidata agent class. Once you create an agent in Phidata, you can give it a set of tools to use. You can give the agent a description, instruction, system message, and more. For this basic agent, we need only system prompt. For the system prompt, let's put, for example, you are a helpful SwiftUI coding assistant. So this gives our second line of code. Lastly, we can print the response with agent.printResponse. Then we add the prompt we want to use. So for the prompt, we have create a SwiftUI Spring animation. Next, we set stream to true so that we get a typewriting effect when the model is answering the prompt. So we need only these 3 lines of code to build an AI agent in Python using Phidata. We can now save the changes and bring the integrated terminal in Cursor with Ctrl and backtick. I'm going to expand the terminal and run the file with Python 3 followed by the file name. So we have firstagent.py. I will press the return key. So you have noticed here the response took 5.7 seconds and we have the solution with a sample code. There is also an explanation to the code. One thing we can do to enhance the output is to set markdown to true in the agent's response. So I'm going to add another parameter that is markdown true and save the changes. I'll go back to the terminal and clear everything. Then I will run the file again. You have noticed here the response took 5.6 seconds, less than previously. So we have the solution and also the sample code with a beautiful syntax highlighting. We got the syntax highlighting by setting markdown to true. You have also noticed the explanation is also well formatted by highlighting the important aspects with color. So with only 3 lines of code, I have shown you how to build an AI agent in Python using Phidata and using the agent with a system message and prompt. We are able to generate this SwiftUI code